What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're in Cantor Whoops Trail today, practicing our jump sessions. We all have an electric mountain bike. Martin has his expensive YT bike. All of us have a BBS, a Bafang middrive. I haven't been here in over a year plus. Kevin's been here once, the same as me, just once. This is his fourth time here. And Crystal's is her first time here. So we're gonna do a pre-ride of the jumps first and foremost, and see how that goes for her. Just entered Cantor Trailhead. So let's rock and roll. So are you gonna try jumping extra hard today, Crystal? Is that why you have elbow pads, knee pads?
Yeah.
Okay. At least one. Alright, good one. At least one? We're gonna jump. There's a lot of jumps here. She saw some videos today, so she has somewhat of an idea of what the trail will look. Obviously, I'm on my Scott Spark mountain bike, 27.5 wheels. This would be a really good test to jump it, because tomorrow we're at Sky Park and then the next day we're in Snow Summit. So 3 days in a row of e-biking. Crystal's first time. Go for it. I'll sweep you. Here we go. I should have worn pants. I love how Martin said he's going slow, but he's already gone. Yes, sir. I see all those jump options. Don't brake too much. Just remember, you could roll everything. Oh, because of the sun? I gotcha. Whew. Gotta duck that one or either jump. It's crazy. Use the momentum. A little bit overgrown. Yeah, I could see why she's having problems looking. That's a nice jump right there. There's that drop. That wooden drop. That we could do. Oh, you did a little bit of an extra credit there. Oh, these are new sick jumps on there on the left. I don't remember that at all. This one we could roll. Watch the big crack coming up. That's a wall ride jump. Last year it was just a wall ride, from what I remember. Now it's a jump to the wall ride. Here's the big crack. Now it's like a sleigh ride action. Alright, Crystal. Round 2. We're gonna go a little faster, okay? Just watch out for that crack. That's the main thing you have to watch out for. Alright, be careful. Have fun. Alright. Crystal was a little too slow for my taste, but that's okay. It's her second time here. Time to get some air. Let loose a little bit. Yeah, it is hard to see. I could barely see what's in front of me. The sun in my face. I'm just watching Kevin's tail. Second jump of the day. Third jump. Fourth. Oh gosh, I tried to jump that one. That was not a clear jump. Woo, Mort. You alright? You good? Try to do the gnarly jump. It seems tiring when we go faster, actually. I'm a little more tired. Martin's getting a good feel of his new bike. And he's probably one of the braver ones today. I'm a little sissy. This, I'm gonna jump right here. Woo. Man, you pick up so much speed. Jump that. Wall ride. Nice, Kevin. Whew. Very nice. Now it's recording. All right.
Am I too slow for you, Kevin?
Round 3.
Okay. E-Bike Adventures Takeover by Crystal. Here we go. I've been having trouble at just the beginning because I just don't have the steady steering. But then everything's okay. Right after that. Okay. Standing position. Check. Technique. We don't know. Confidence. We'll see. To be determined. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Take it easy on me. Okay, I am rarely braking now. Oh, whoa. Branch attack. Okay. There's the sun, because we can't see when the sun is in our eyes. Okay. I said be careful with these. Here we go. Oh, rocks. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh. Zoom. Wow. Here we go, baby. Oh, these guys are coming back. Let me brake. Come on. You did everything? You hit all your...
Yeah, I got a wood drop. You want to take the wood drop, Crystal?
Oh, the wood drop is like how far down? Like 2.5 feet up?
Just watch us first, and then tell us if you think you want to do it. It's going to be a lot of better. No problem.
Okay, go for it. I believe in you. Wow. That was good. Okay, this guy. Nice. See, he carves to the left a little bit. Oh, the right and then the left.
Why did you do it? I thought it was easy, right? I didn't drop at all. Oh, zero. Yeah. Wanna try it? You do have to have speed, though.
I do have to be, yeah.
Because you'll go.
Oh, there's a biker behind you.
You'll go front end. You don't want to go front end.
Studying this jump. This is really fun, by the way. I just want to like commend everybody that tries this. That was good. Yeah, you're right. Kevin's trying to go all the way to the middle. Whoa. Do you feel okay? That was good. Need this to jump. I don't think I can do that. Whoa, hit the wrong side. What are these guys doing? I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try it. Okay, tried it. Tis done. Now we just have to.
We're gonna use it. Dude, it looks big today. It looks bigger than I remember.
Oh, this one? These.
5 inches bigger. That's a lot. This is what we're gonna hit right. But it was easy. Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
Watch it. You saw like my back landed towards it?
Yeah, I saw that. Interesting.
Kevin's casing it too.
What does that mean though? Is it because your bikes are a little bit heavier?
I think so, and we didn't clear it. We didn't get enough speed. It's a lot of different things. The speed, the weight.
Speed, the weight.
Yeah, but I gotta try clearing it.
They keep casing it.
You brake too much. Oh, I missed it. So easy to miss. Give it more speed. I did. You want to follow my speed? All right. Well, if you fall, I fall right up. I swear to God, I won't fall.
He swears to God.
I practice. Oh, nice, Kevin.
You want me to do that? Nope. I mean, if I did it, I would be just lucky if I could. They won't leave until I probably do something epic, so. Epic time. Up! I looked at myself in my mind and I said, no, she's not gonna get it.
I told you it's like a last second thing.
Yeah, I checked in the future. I was like, nah. Oh, you saw the hesitation.
I saw once you lift it, you're like, oh shit.
Nice.
Yes.
Wow. He's doing good. Hey. Wow. Nice. Wow. My goodness.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back in the vlog helmet. We've been trying these, where is it? Oh, somewhere here. These side jumps that Martin showed us. This one right here. This one's a doable jump. It's like a jump that kind of swerves. Whew, that's fun. Where are we? Oh, what? Where's that drop? There's a blind side jump somewhere here. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh, and there's a mini jump somewhere here. Oh, I cased it. Son of a bee. Alright, I tried. It's getting dark. Here's a nice wall right here. Alright. Pretty dark. We're just making our way out of here. Alright, we've worked up an appetite. Probably go get some Pink's hot dogs. Send it. Alright, we got some jump sessions in. I wanted Crystal to level up a little more, but she declined. She just likes to roll everything slowly. But that's okay. At least she's out here with us. And she still wants to go to Sky Park tomorrow. And then Snow Summit the next day. But that's going to be in today's e-bike vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super73, an aerial rider, or a DIY Bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.